I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship and spirit and truth.
Hi lovely ladies, and welcome back to another lovely nail video. On today's video we are continuing off with trying press-on nails from Walmart. This is another brand from Walmart that we got. It's called Salon Perfect Viral Nail Edit, and this is almond shape medium, and this is the looks like spring collection. Nice little lemons here, and a French tip, and then plain. So I'm liking these for spring. It comes with the glue, 30 nails, nail file, and prep pad. So if you are interested on how they are going to look, continue to watch. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Audrey, and I hope you enjoy this video and consider subscribing. Comment down below, let me know what you think of these nails and if you've tried Salon Perfect press-on nails before. So these are the extra nails here. We have our alcohol prep pad, our extra nails, our nail file, and our glue. We will be using their glue to check it out and see what we think. So let's go ahead, and the directions are also on the back as well. So it says lightly buff nail and clean with prep pad. Select your nail tips. Apply a thin, even coat of glue to the underside of the nail. Place on tip and then trim nails as desired. All right. So we can go ahead and prep our nails. Filing the nails helps to have the glue stick to something, to a rough surface. If not, the glue will sometimes not adhere to the nail. Just a quick buff. Then we use the alcohol prep pad. Just clean off that excess dust. Alright, we'll set that aside here, and we will go ahead and size our nails. So I definitely want to do, oh, perfect. This is a bit smaller. That's perfect for, yep. I don't think this is. This is probably a 4. I need a 3. Pinky. Trying to look for the size here. I think it's a 2. I can do a 2. Yeah, 2. It's 2. Say 3. And that's 3. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so let's try their glue out. Okay. I usually count for 10 seconds. Okay, this glue feels pretty good. You can definitely tell that it's on there without even touching it because of how the glue sucks your finger in. If you will press on nails, you kind of understand what I'm saying. It's like a tightness. And I know it said to put the glue on the nail, so you can either put the glue on the nail or on your nail. Either way, it's going to get on both. See? Oops. So I definitely rate this as a very good glue, as in I don't have to reapply. As you've seen, I didn't have to reapply it. And we'll come back with this set on. Actually, I thought, why not show y'all both sides? Maybe somebody has trouble putting on their nails. Spilled over. And a new nail set under 15 minutes for spring. I know when sometimes the glue spills over, if you just wipe it and continuously washing your hands, it will go away. But spillover happens. But here is the spring set. I really like these, nice and durable. And I like how the 3D is actually 3D. You see? Okay, you can feel it. So cute, perfect for spring. And this is the real raw. Now we're gonna put some cuticle oil. Cuticle oil. We're almost out, so I'm gonna have to get some more. All right, so y'all let me know down in the comments what you think of these nails for spring, and I'll see you in the next lovely nail video. Bye. Quick and simple, and they only cost me $7. This alone would have cost more than this whole set if you went to the salon. Even this. Even these. So yeah, I got them from Walmart. Again, Salon Perfect Viral Nail Edit. Alrighty, bye for real this time. Bye. Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.